What's up guys, Panda Quickscope here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to download a free GTA 5 mod menu. This mod menu is great, works very well, has a lot of features. I will get to that later in the video. But there is one thing about it, and that is you can only use it on single player or offline or story mode, whatever you want to call it. If you use it on online, you have a very high ban rate risk, so I would use it at your own risk. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to come to this website right here. The link will be in the description below. And then you're going to want to click on download right here. And then once you click on download, you're going to want to click on download again. And then you're going to want to open this, click show and folder. Now you're going to want to extract the file. So put it onto your home right here, and then right click, then click extract files here. You can just delete this, and this is all you need right here. Next, open up Steam, then go to Grand Theft Auto, right click, then go to properties, then go to local files, browse local files, and this will pop up. You're then going to want to drag this, all three of these, into this. Now I have already done that, so I'm just gonna exit out there. Next, you're gonna want to open up a GTA. So once you've loaded into GTA, you're going to want to press F8. You're probably going to want to press it twice if it doesn't come up the first time. And now you have a mod menu. To scroll through it on the keyboard, you use up and down on the arrow keys, and then you use enter to select, and back to exit or go back. You can also press F8 and then use your controller. I'm using the controller right now. It's up and down on the D-pad, and A to select and B to go back. So if I want to teleport here, I can set a waypoint, and then go to teleport, waypoint, and I'm here. You can also spawn vehicles that aren't usually in the story mode, like so. Now I have this car that you can't buy in story mode. You can also get many other cars. You can also put on God mode, which I should have done and am doing right now. Alright, so I've enabled Never Wanted and God mode or invincibility. You can also do invisibility, no ragdoll seatbelt, a bunch of things. It's really fun to mess around with. You can also have a force field on, which is there's push out, which is if I walk up to something, it pushes it out. Like, see all these benches? Or I can have it as destroy, which it just explodes cars and stuff. As you can see, I walk up here and it just explodes it. Next is you can fly, which is you just look wherever you want to go, and the controls are slightly weird, but you can basically fly around. Next, you can give yourself all the weapons. You can give yourself special weapons. You can change the weather. You can do many things. I'm not gonna go through all of it. I'll go through all of it in another video. You can also make it really slow in time. Anyways, have fun messing around with it. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Panda. I got broads in Atlanta, just to throw me in the family. Credit cards and the scammers, getting the licks in the band. Legacy. Panda. I got broads in Atlanta, just to throw me in the family. Credit cards and the scammers, getting the licks in the band. Legacy.